Hey there, here's Hadris with WTI and with this nail polish holder. That the first thing is pink, and I love pink, so we're off to a good start. I also love painting my nails, so this helps me a lot because it's difficult for me to hold the nail polish, to get the brush, and then paint. But with this, it's super easy. I just have to put it there and it holds perfectly. It doesn't fall or move much, it just stays in place. I can use it with both hands and it really helps me a lot because I'm not very good with my left hand. So, having it in one place without moving much makes my nails look really nice without any mess of polish anywhere. And that's my point of view.